It's not how hard you work, it's the tool and skill you use to achieve more with less effort. Yet, procrastination steals your chance. What if you have a laser-sharp focus? Clip foci to your waist to power up. Read emotion records to find out how well you do. Earn awesome productivity reports when you work. Stay ahead. Get timely distraction alerts to stay productive. Take the shortcut. Upgrade your executive functions with the most advanced biofeedback training technology. Gain the skills to tune out distraction, control procrastination, sustain longer focus and peak mental performance to give yourself the extraordinary edge in career and grades. Work smart.
Technology has transformed the world and our everyday lives dramatically. Having a versatile camera capable of making intelligent decisions in a plethora of use cases posed an extreme technological challenge. Now, with Bcam, you hold the future of technology in your hands. Bcam is a versatile camera powered with AI. It can be placed indoors and outdoors or even carried with you. It can extract application-specific information from the captured images, generate event descriptions, or make decisions in an intelligent and automated system. Being genuinely unique, Bcam combines the capabilities of a smart camera with the experience of a portable computer when connected to phones, tablets, or monitors. This intelligent camera is a result of collaborative efforts among engineers, computer scientists, and product designers who combine knowledge and experience to innovate.
We have been working in multiple European research projects where we developed AI algorithms for our drones. Several of our partners displayed great interest in having such a stationary camera with similar capabilities. This is not just a camera with a high-resolution Sony sensor, but it's also a computer that runs Ubuntu 18 on its CPU, and also an AI processing unit that on the GPU runs CUDA Core's algorithms.
Both versions of the camera were designed and engineered to tackle a wide scope of use cases. Functional, versatile, and reliable, it's able to detect and track almost everything.
What makes the SmartCam different? Its potential to work under different circumstances. Everything nowadays it's an IoT device, but the SmartCam is able to operate as an edge device, live streaming data or video feed to a secure platform. It's extremely easy to deploy even on outside conditions because it's IP65 rated, so it's rain resistant. And it actually has night vision, so you can run 24/7 if you want to. When you pair all of this with the fact that it's actually a computer with a GPU that's running complex AI algorithms, it just sets it to a whole new level. There's nothing out there that compares to it.
Providing user-friendly full control of a single camera is a challenging problem. Bxtreme platform allows not only to fully control in real time multiple cameras simultaneously, it provides a situation awareness overview that is an ideal solution for businesses that require multiple cameras to be deployed and managed. The efficiency of the software gives Bxtreme the edge.
We are providing both iOS and Android applications so the user can have control over any of his cameras. We are also going to provide a web-based platform for professional users. And through this platform, the user can select the camera on the map to get control over it. Currently, we have many of the functions already put in place, but we are requesting the support of the community to improve our software.
Bcam is designed to solve problems in the real world. At home, you'll have peace of mind knowing who's at your door and can communicate with them using the two-way audio. Real-time alerts will keep you aware of everything in case of an emergency. In a workplace, detect any client movement or fully automate the buying process, offering a great customer experience while ensuring optimal security. In a classroom, teachers can add hands-on excitement to lectures by asking students to experiment and test various algorithms.
Combining our expertise in embedded systems, image processing and artificial intelligence, we'll build one product that powers multiple solutions.
Radical technological advancements are a result of co-creation, and this is why the software is open source. Additional algorithms can be added to the camera and extend its capabilities and longevity.
We truly hope that our product will evolve thanks to contributions from the community.
The design offers a real advantage over other cameras in the market as it makes it easier to blend in every environment, remain stable no matter how it is placed, and be attached to the wall. Aggregating all the features of a smart cam and a sophisticated computer, B-Cam is the most affordable, multifunctional camera in the world. Why buy an action camera, a security camera, a computer, or a laptop when you can buy one complete product that includes everything?
Our main aim is to offer an innovative product for businesses, while at the same time being an affordable option for individual consumers. Our Pro version is smarter, more versatile, and overall packed with awesome new features.
Pre-order B-Cam and B-Cam Pro at an exclusive campaign price and help us shape the future of an intelligent world.
Time to get your flow going and zen out. Hang on. Wait. Okay, what about this grippy yoga towel? Here we go. All right, this should work. It's still sliding everywhere. This doesn't work either. Everyone says spray your towel down with some water, so maybe this will help. Nope, still not helping. You're losing focus. There's gotta be a better way. Okay, just need to set up these Namaste clips and you're ready to get this flow going. Finally, something that takes out all the frustration, the little movements, the fixes, the adjustments out of the equation so that you can practice on the one thing that you're here for, yoga. No more bunching, slipping, or moving towels under your hands and feet. They lay completely flat, so there's no risk of hitting them with your hands or your feet. They're made of silky soft, heat-resistant rubber that can be used in any temperature class, will not damage your mat or the yoga studio floor.
Hi, I'm Nicole, founder of Namaste Clips. I created Namaste because I dealt with this problem too many times. There is a better way,